Guys, welcome back to another video. So for today we'll actually be doing the viewing of SilverSun Estate phase 3, and I'm showing you how to get there from Old Harbour Road. So I started the video at the intersection where there is a Rubis and Total gas station. So from there we are basically heading west on Old Harbour Road, and you will see how to get to the location. You see some scenes here and some after the viewing of the house to see what the houses are looking like along the line on the different streets. So once you get to the location, then you are given a contact sheet by an NHT representative, and you complete that sheet that will be given to them or returned to them after completion. We were a bit early. The viewing was supposed to be at 10. We got there at 9:30. So unlike some of the other viewings that we have been to recently, they actually had two houses prepared for viewing. The only difference is that in this case, none of the houses actually had furniture, so that you could have an estimate or an idea of how or what furniture would be able to hold in the rooms. So after a brief wait, we were able to get inside. So just going around, I'll show you what each room looks like, what the fixtures in each room is like. You know, without the furniture, it makes it a little bit harder to estimate, but loving what I'm seeing so far. So there's an open concept for the living and kitchen area, a lot of window for ventilation, which I like. I realize that not all the units that are not NHT are made like this, but this is a good idea. So the cupboards in the kitchen, well, there would be the island in the kitchen. The cupboards on that is located on both sides. There's adequate shelf space in the kitchen. on both the top and the bottom. I'll show you shortly the shelf space that is on the opposite side of the island, which is right there. Another thing I appreciated about the kitchen is that they utilized the space, a lot of the space, in terms of building around the sink and providing a lot of cupboard space. So adequate amount of drawers and cupboards were provided, and a nice window space for ventilation right above the sink while you're in the kitchen. I actually even liked this lot specifically as well because the back had a hill basically behind and not another house. So this is storage space outside of the second bedroom. Also inside of that bedroom it also has a closet space. So there is pantry space outside, basically storage space, and there's also an adequate size closet inside this bedroom. So for the bathroom, it's also a decent sized bathroom. Just showing you here, they have installed a tub, good sized window for ventilation, and I think that the fixtures are perfectly fine for a starter if you need to make space. I like the space saver drawer option that they gave in the bathroom as well. So you do get 2 drawers there to store your items. And overall, I think it's a good enough fixture or good enough fixtures for a starter home. You have the option of changing them in the future. So on entering the master bedroom, there's a closet right at the door, which is also adequate sizing. And then in the room, I would think that it's also decent spacing for a master bedroom and a lot of ventilation. As you see, there are 3 windows. When I was looking at the space, the room could basically hold a queen size, a dresser, and probably a chest of drawer, or queen size, a dresser, and 2 bedside tables based on the space that was provided there. The rooms also have high ceilings, so you know that also allows for proper ventilation and cooling within the room. Stroll down the road to show you some of the other houses in this phase. As you can see, I'm really not sure if these houses are phase 3 or phase 2 because I was advised that there are some persons for phase 2 who have not moved in as yet. But you can see the houses, how they're set up, the space that is available between the houses and in the backyard. And I think this area here might be a little recreational area or greenland for the scheme. Not sure what it is the intention of that area, but it has been fenced off and does have some agricultural plants on the land. So guys, this is the video for today to show you what SilverSun Phase 3 looks like, how it has developed since Phase 1. If it is you will be applying, remember that applications open on the NHT website August 17, 2021. And of course, guys, if you liked this video, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up and a comment down below if you like to share anything about the area. And if you are new and have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So this is where I leave you until next time. Continue to be your most authentic self and stay naturally.